So what we did was we built a platform that is a set of microservices deployed all on top of a cloud native system that can provide cards processing, core banking, lending, and some other products using the same set of APIs. So what we provide to the clients is we give them a toolkit so they can be in control of the product roadmap. They can just orchestrate the APIs to build the product that they want to the end user.
This technology is used by incumbents too.
Both, actually both. We have big clients already running production, some like public cases like Itaú here in Latin America, who are migrating the whole credit card portfolio to our platform. But we also have fintechs running, and also the stock exchange here in Brazil. So because it's a SaaS company, you pay per what you use. So the same way that you can consume infrastructure services from the cloud providers, we are the infrastructure for financial services.
And connect your growth or the evolution of the company with Pix and what it has enabled in the market.
Yeah, this was one of the things that we decided to do differently. I think it's one of the reasons why we succeeded, because we built a very basic components where you can store the ledger and the balance, you can move money, you can identify one client, whether if it's a credit card, a token, social security number, whatever, you want to move money from one place to the other, we have the ledger and the processing platform for that. So we have all the instrumentation in the toolkit to connect with the rails of the central bank in Brazil, UPI in India, or every other way of moving money. We have the tools to connect to the rails.
And now recently, I understand you've been acquired by Visa. What does that mean in practice? And how is it changing the nature of your business?
Sure. It's been 1 year already. The acquisition was completed. And one of the reasons why we decided to pursue this conversation, we were already working in international expansion. By the time we signed the deal, we already had like operations and offices in the UK, in Singapore, and Brazil, Austin, Texas, and most recently in India. But it's very hard when you are targeting big incumbents and you want to provide like core banking systems. Like we were a small company, pretty much like that started in Brazil. So one of the reasons why we decided to pursue the conversation was like having institution like Visa backing us on the background. It's something that could help us with the conversations with the big guys and the big banks.